Hey guys, yeah, tell me if you want me to do more reactions on NASCAR races, and yeah, please comment below what you think I should do, if I should or shouldn't make videos, or if you have another idea of type of videos I can make, and yeah, thanks, please comment down below.
Bell won stage one and stage two. And we've seen these two guys up
Let's
front
go,
with
Ben
restarts
Rhodes.
every time, but it's Christopher Bell and Noah Gregson. That's Bell on the inside, Gregson the leader on the outside. Good restart by Bell on the inside.
Oh, shoot! Oh, Crafton! Oh, God. Oh, damn. Oh, Crafton. For Crafton.
27 of Ben Rhodes. Rhodes through the block, and Cindric set out here. We talked about intensity ramping up, and guys getting desperate, making desperate moves. We said at the beginning of the night, desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm not sure if that was a desperate measure or if it's just drivers trying to protect their position, and it led to some contact, but catastrophic for Ben Rhodes in that 2017. We talked about at the very top of the show what can happen. You never know till the end of the race. And I'd say right now that's going to knock Ben Rhodes out of any opportunity for a playoff position, and it puts Austin Cindric in. Wow. Wow. Veteran Mac
That sucks.
popping the Rhodes. The red you see on the screen has come out, so they're going to stop the truck. So there's going to be a pretty significant cleanup involved here.
But there was still a lot of racing to do. I could have done the same move to the guy in front of me, but chose not to do it because it wasn't the time. He put me in a bad place and tried to do everything I could to keep the spot. But once he fell into turn one, we were all going to wreck. So, I'm not sure that was the right move on his part. I did everything I could to just make sure we were having a good day. We were in front of them all day long. We were going to be into the final four. And I don't know. It looked like a desperation move to me because there's so much racing left to do. I guess if I was in his position, I can't blame him, but it's definitely not the move I would have liked to see this early in the race. There's so much to go on. The line in front of me started checking up. I could have done the same thing, but you have to be smart on the restarts, especially when you have, 70 laps to go still?
Your crew chief said he thinks they should park the 19 and certainly doesn't see him finishing the race at Homestead. Your thoughts?
Well, he didn't have the position on me at all. His nose was barely in there. He didn't pack up. He would never made the corner. So, just driving over his head, I guess. I don't know. We're just going to go forward from here to Homestead and finish out the season strong. I guess we'll still have 5th place to cheer about. Unfortunate for my teammate. He was having a really good run today. Sad that we tore up 2 good trucks for Duke Thorson and Thorsport Motorsports, Thorsport Racing. There's a lot of hard workers at Thorsport
This
Racing
incident
that
reminds me of the Alex Bowman and Matt Kenseth situation last year.
Yeah. Think about what teammates in the front row, they could exchange sheet metal, putting Sauter in a good spot. 3 key storylines here. Who's going to win the race? Is it the 18, the 4, the 21 Sauter, as you mentioned. Also the 19 of Austin Cindric trying to hold on to that 4th and final spot for next week at Miami. Or can John Hunter Nemechek work some magic here in the final 10? 10 laps to go right now at Phoenix.
Come on, Johnny.
Hard down in the corner, Gregson has a bit of an advantage.
Down off the track, back up and on. Bell and Gregson side by side.
Go Gregson, go Gregson! Go!
Sauter right there looking to take advantage.
Come on, Sauter,
Still side by side. Noah Gregson inside. Christopher Bell outside.
We got Johnny Sauter, and Justin Haley right there in 3rd and 4th.
Gregson got his first career win
on,
2 weeks ago. Christopher Bell, a 5-time winner this season. I don't see how those two could stay off each other racing that tight and that close. You can see see.
Come on, Slaughter. Come on, Slaughter.
On Gregson, trying to squeeze him into the
Go,
corner.
Slaughter. Go, Slaughter. Go, Slaughter.
And look who's sitting right there, ready to pounce. Johnny Sauter waiting for somebody to mess up between Bell and Gregson.
Absolutely.
Certainly has to be considering how long these two can run that time.
Oh!
Off the middle of the wall. Takes Justin Haley with him.
Oh, shoot!
Guys, John Hunter Nemechek got through it. Will line up second behind Johnny Sauter.